So here's this Dewalt drill that I got on eBay, and it works. You can hear there's like something coming apart in there, and if I turn off the light, you see it just sparking away in there. So I want to see what's going on with that. So let's get it apart. Oh yeah, there's a little piece of wire. It's not really good. Don't know what that's from though. Alright, well, let's get this part apart. Felt kind of loose. I don't know if it's been apart before. Oh, that one was tight. Now can we split this part? Oh yeah, the armatures, the windings, it's just broken apart. Oh no, it's the field coil, but it's not actually broken, but it is out of place. This was just going like that. I wasn't making it on the video, but when I was running the drill earlier, it was making like this farting noise, like a big arcing from up here. So I think that's probably what that was the field coil arcing to the armature. Ooh, yeah. And look at that. Yeah, you can see this piece is just broken and burnt. You can see that. Yeah. Right there. That's not good. Yeah, so just looking at it more, you can see there's some wire that broke off that now stuck in here. And then looking at the epoxy, see there's some big chunks missing. So that might be it for this little rotor. But fortunately, I've got a second drill. It's the same one, and it also doesn't work. This one doesn't work at all. It's dead. But if this is failed differently from this one, I wonder if we can just put the rotor from here into here, and we'll have a good drill. Well, I got this second drill partially apart. So far there's no pieces of wire just falling out, so I guess that's a good sign. Let's get the head off. This is a T30 screwdriver, by the way. The other one that I was using on the handle was a T15. Well, that rotor looks a hell of a lot better. No burn marks. No broken off pieces of epoxy or wire. Say we might have ourselves a winner. Alright, so here's the first drill again. Well, I took a second look at the field coil on that first drill, and one of the wires, the wire that was flapping free, is actually damaged. So I think I'm gonna move over the field coil from this second drill too, since it looks okay. That might be able to just stay there. Just a couple torque screws holding this in, and then some connectors. Alright, well, on third thought, that looks like a pain in the ass. So, I am a hardworking guy, but I like to work smarter, not harder. So, we're just going to stick with the stator that's in the first drill we looked at, because it's not that bad. Okay, we'll just swap the rotor over like I had originally said. Whoops. God damn it. Alright, these brushes are kind of a pain to take out. To remove the spring, I think, and then I can just go like that. Alright, so there's that brush. Just let it hang. Don't forget where it was. That brush is already out. Whoa. What the fuck? Alright, this is turning into a mess. Now we got some wires just hanging free. Oops, that was the bad rotor. So good rotor. What is that noise? What is hitting? Oh well, whatever. It's okay. So let's put the head back on this guy. Whoops, I'm gonna forget something. Alright, I thought I was putting it in backwards. So now, that's good. This guy went like that. But I'm trying to pop these little tabs in the hole. Now this shit doesn't want to line up. Alright, and then we got to put in all these wires that fell out. So, white. Black. And the yellow. Alright, well, we got it all back together. Let's try it out. Hopefully it doesn't just blow up. Well, it works okay now. Still see it sparking away, so I guess maybe that's just normal operation for this drill. Wow. Well, I'd say it drills pretty good. Maybe should have had that bit in there tighter.